Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nell Sasson, and today we're gonna be making some pecan sandies. This recipe includes vanilla extract, unsalted butter, chopped pecans, all-purpose flour, truvia, and salt. In a pot over medium heat, melt 2 sticks of butter until brown. Let it cool slightly, then add it to a large bowl of 3/4 of a cup of truvia. Mix until well combined and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now the dry ingredients, which is pretty much just 2/4 cups of all-purpose flour and half teaspoon of salt. Whisk together, then gradually add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mix until just combined. Okay, I'm going to explain what pecan sandies are. From the look on your faces, I can tell that most of you don't even know what they are. They're delicious crumbly cookies, absolutely packed with pecans, and believe me, they are addictive. And once you have formed a dough, stir in 1 cup of the toasted chopped pecans. Now that everything is pretty much done, put your cookie dough ball in plastic wrap and let it chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Alright, take the cookie dough out the fridge, form 20-gram balls, flatten them slightly, and bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes. Estas son galletas de nuez pecana. Alright guys, the pecan sandies are done. Alright, gonna try it, and I won't cap. Oh. These are really good. It has a nice nutty flavor, it's buttery, and it's crunchy. I'm telling you, that brown butter really did the trick. To me, these actually taste better than the ones that you get at the store. There's always that one thing that I grew up with that I thought was fancy, but it really wasn't fancy at all. And you know what it was? The Keebler's brand. So, I don't know if they still do that, but a long time ago, they used to have Pecan Sandies for the Keebler company. And I'm gonna tell you, as a kid, I used to think that was so fancy. But looking back, it really wasn't. I really feel like these are just a lot better. Yeah. And not gonna lie, as a kid, I would always want to get pecan sandies from the store. And the one thing that would happen is it would be gone in one day. Next thing you know, I would be like, who ate all the pecan sandies? That's what happens. I'm telling you, it'd be like that in my household. But yeah, these are really good. Like, you know, I put truvia in it, and the one thing is that these already taste sweet. I put sugar in it without putting sugar in it. That's what I did. Yeah. But I'm telling you, pecan sandies are the best. And I'm not gonna lie, but when I was younger, I used to beg my parents to give me like these the Keebler cookies all the time. Not like the pecan sandies really. I'm talking about like just the cookies in general. Because those really bring me back to my childhood. But these right here, this kind of like gives you a nostalgic taste a little bit, but a little better. That's the one thing for sure. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.